If you're watching this video, it's probably because you've had an oh crap moment where you've had a broken key for your locking lug nuts, like I had here on this beautiful thing, 21X3. But fear not, there is some relief in sight as long as you haven't screwed up the lug nut too bad itself yet. And of course, these are designed to break before you screw up the keyway on the lug nut. The long and short of it is, if you have the BMW branded set, right, you got from BMW, you break the key or lose it even, as long as you have this piece that comes with your kit, you're going to be okay. You can call BMW or you go to the parts counter over there and they're going to tell you, yeah, it'll be, I think they quoted me at Plaza, $30 some odd, and it's 3 to 4 weeks to get a new key made and shipped over. And plus you got to go to the BMW dealer to go get it. However, what I found out is that all this crap is made by Magard, who makes all those wheel locking lug nut sets that you see at O'Reilly's and whatever. If you call up Magard, and that is their phone number right there, and you tell them what you got, and if you have this, you give them that number on top with the Julian date, and they will send you a brand new one. Exactly what you need. And I had this done for a whole whopping total of $20.18, shipped to my door. I called them on a Wednesday. I had this key in my mailbox Friday afternoon. I got my stuff off. So BMW specifically, where you have the wheel studs, I'm not speaking for anything else here. Call up Magard if you broke it or lost it, as long as you have this. Maybe even if you don't, they might be able to help you out. I would call Magard first before you panic and run to BMW and pay double or triple or more, or go to a wheel shop where, yes, they can get it off if you're in a bind of some kind. But if you're not in a bind, call Magard up, tell them what you need. Hopefully they can help you out. If you wind up screwing this up, there's really only a couple of ways that you can get it off. One is they use a hole saw and cut your wheel to get your wheel off, and then basically chisel that part off and get this out. Or I've heard tell of them, welding a socket over the top of this and then using an impact to get it off that way. With these kind here, you can't use those extractors like you get at Harbor Freight or wherever, because that ring on the outside there rotates around the stud. So even if you get an extractor or a socket beat over the top of that, it's just going to grab that, and that's going to, rotate without rotating the lug. Very frustrating design. Obviously, it's a good one for security, but anyways, that's it. Good luck. Don't panic if you don't need to.